So we just ordered a couple weeks ago our inflatable tank for our pool, the Pool Punisher inflatable tank with the water cannon, and we got it in the mail to find that it had several slices in it, as you can see. So it took like 3 weeks to get, so we were pretty annoyed, and it cost over $100. So we contacted the seller, and they basically just refunded us and let us keep it, which is pretty cool. But we're still stuck with this, all this. Someone opened it with a razor blade. So what I'm going to try to do here, I'm going to try to repair it with this crystal clear Gorilla Tape and see if that holds. One of these slices is so bad that I think it's hard to see, but it's actually through to the other side somewhere here. Right there, if you can see it a little bit. It's right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's through to the other side. So I'm going to try to apply this and see if it holds. So as you can see, it wasn't the perfect fix. There are some lines here that I couldn't really fix because I couldn't pull it flat while I was doing this myself. But the lines don't really get back to the slices, because I doubled it up, and I did on the other side too, because one of the slices went through, so I had to flip it around and go inside. I'm going to try filling it with air, and we'll see if it holds. I'm hoping that the really hot weather makes this really gummy, and maybe it'll help it to hold a little bit. So let me try filling it up now. I got my little Ryobi inflator we're going to use to fill it up. So the tank came out pretty good. Overall, this isn't really like a review of the tank. I'm actually going to do that when I try it out, but this is more about the patch that I did. There was a little hole here, a little something, not a hole, but something I just figured I'd put tape over it. But luckily, my holes wound up being on this part here, which actually doesn't contain any air, except for one hole, which you can see here, slice right there. And obviously I taped that the best I can. I'm gonna let it sit overnight and see how it holds up before I try it out in the water tomorrow. And once again, this video is not sponsored or anything by any means, but this is what I use to fix it. If you need to fix your floats, seems like it's pretty good. It actually is on, like, you just leave it in here and you can just pull it right out of this. It's like a dispenser, a little cardboard dispenser. And this is my Ryobi inflator with the little inflatable attachment. And yeah, seems like it worked pretty good. So thanks for watching.